this video, I will show you how to take square root of literally any number in 1 second, no matter how big or small the number is. If it's a perfect square, you can take square root in 1 second. Let's see how. Let's take an example and see how to take square root of the number 2025. The only thing you have to remember in order to do this trick is squares of the numbers from 0 to 9, which I'm sure every one of you remember. Now, in order to take that square root, what you do is you start with the large digit. So the large digit here is 5. Then what you do is check which of these squares have the large digit 5. I see this 25 have the large digit 5, and 5 square is 25. So you write that 5 over here, which is your large digit of this square root. Now cancel out the last two digits of the square root. The remaining number is 20. Now what you see is which of these numbers is just below or equal to 20. I see 16 is just below or equal to 20, and 4 square happened to be 16. So what you do is write 4 over here, and 45 is nothing but the square root of 2025. How cool is that? Let's take one more example. Let's say if you want to take the square root of number 1369. The way you start is check the large digit 9. Which of these squares happen to have the large digit 9? I see one here and one here. So 49 and 9. So my large digit is either 3 or 7. So my large digit of the square root is either 3 or 7. Okay, how do you decide between 3 and 7? We'll see that in a second. After this, what you do is cancel out these two numbers. The leftover number is 13. Now what you do is out of all these squares, look for a number which is just below or equal to 13. I see 9 is just below or equal to 13, which is 3 square. So I write 3 here, which is the first digit. So my square root of this 1369 is either 33 or it is 37. Now, how do you decide between 33 and 37? What you do is you take that number 3 and take the next number to it and multiply. So you have 3, just take the next number and multiply. So 3 times 4 is giving you 12. Whenever these two digits over here are greater than this number, you choose the higher value. If this number, these two digits are less than this value, you choose the lower value. In this case, 13 is greater than 12. So I will choose the higher value, which is 37, which is my square root of 1369. I hope that makes sense. If you like this concept and want to see more such concepts, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. I do post math and calculus content every single day. That's another reason to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.